Boston here, Razia Mashkoor here, and today we have Vipin ji in 12 and 10, and we are so excited. I am so excited to have him. Thank you so much, and welcome at BTC.
Thank you, Razia. Thank you for having me on your show.
Thank you. It's my pleasure. And recently, I saw your Betal, क्या है Patal Lok,
Patal Lok.
and a short movie Baitullah.
हाँ, अच्छा वो भी देखिए आपने.
Yeah, वो the director submitted in my India International Film Festival of Boston this year.
Okay.
तो हम लोग I saw that and I'm so touched. It's a small thing but has a very a big impact what he is doing, the little boy. So what is your take on it? Both Patal Lok and Baitullah.
पाताल लोक तो खैर एक वेब सीरीज है, एक उसका एक अपना एक पूरा सिस्टम है, बड़ा प्रोडक्शन हाउस है और एक उसकी वो एक दूसरी तरह का प्रोजेक्ट है. बैतुल्ला उससे बिल्कुल ही अलग है. जितेंद्र जो डायरेक्टर है, उसका राइटर डायरेक्टर, वो इस तरह की शॉर्ट फिल्म्स बच्चों को लेके काफी बनाता है. और इस समय वो यहाँ पे एक वर्सोवा विलेज है हमारे बगल में, वो जब से ये शुरू हुआ है तब से वो फूड सप्लाई कर रहा है और काफी चीजें वो वहाँ पे, वो एक दिन भी रुका नहीं है अब तक. वो स्लम में जाता है, लोगों को खाना डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करता है और तो उसका पूरा कमिटमेंट कुछ ऐसा ही है. वो इज अ यू कैन से इज एन एक्टिविस्ट फिल्म मेकर एंड he's worked a lot with children actually, so he also supports an NGO which works with children. So his commitment to make films for children and encourage people and create an awareness that children need, especially children who are underprivileged and poor, come from poor families and all. So it was that kind of a project. When he came to me, I immediately said yes, because that's something that it's not a commercial thing, it's not something that you make money from. It's something that you do because maybe it will help somewhere some children in distress. So I guess that's the nature of the project when it comes to Baitullah, and I'm very happy that I became part of it actually.
It's a beautiful movie, and you did what you did with this small boy. It's very impactful, and I hope कि सारे लोग इसी तरह से करें तो ये दुनिया I think a better place होगी to live with.
बिल्कुल.
Okay, so let's start with the question one. What pushed you to become an actor?
Well, I grew up in Delhi, and I basically I grew up in a pretty I grew up in a slum basically. There was a lot of poverty around, and there was a lot of things that I used to watch and wonder why we are like that and why people around us have all the luxury amendment, they have everything. So that kind of made me wanted to do something, and it happened to be acting somehow, because I was a big fan of cinema. I watched movies on television, and I got very kind of excited, and I thought that's something that I would like to do. I wanted to, maybe it was a desire to kind of create that space in society that was not given to me and my family, and so I guess that's the major force behind it.
Let's move on. So everyone has thin and thick in their lives. How was your real life has started?
Where you mean now?
When you started from your real life to real life.
Well, I started, and then I went to NSD, National School of Drama. I studied there, and then I started working in cinema a little bit. Worked with Shyam Benegal and Ketan Mehta, and then I was very disillusioned. I left everything, started traveling, and basically there was a gap of a huge gap. I didn't act or did anything. I started making small movies and editing and all that, and almost after a gap of more than 10-12 years, I came back to acting, and I was living in Toronto actually.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I lived there for a long time, and then I decided to leave and come to India. So it's almost now 15 years that I'm back in India now.
So you started with your career in films with Amir Khan production Tare Zameen Par.
Yes, that was my
So,
first film.
yes, your first one. So how was your experience with Amir Khan production and Amol Gokhale? That
Gupte.
Gupte. So how was that experience?
It was great. It was my first film, and that too with Amir. And Amir was one of the most wonderful people I met in the film industry. He was great. I had a great time. Uh, I wasn't nervous or anything. I was very confident doing that part, and I knew that this is a very big opportunity for me. And so, yeah, it was quite exciting to be part of a film which none of us knew that would do so well. So it was a great experience actually to start from there.
I start with the Amir Khan production and It
Yeah,
was a beautiful movie. It was a beautiful
yeah,
subject, and so yeah, it was. You are lucky to have that kind of film in your early career.
absolutely,
So it's good.
absolutely.
And what is the hardest part of being a celebrity?
First of all, I don't feel like a celebrity, to be very honest with
You
you.
are
I have never
celebrity,
felt it.
whether you accept it or not.
I personally don't feel it. I
Okay.
personally, a lot of people, tell me that also, that I should do a bit of those things that a celebrity must do. I am far from it. I like the simplicity of life. I can go any coffee shop. I can sit anywhere. I try to live as normal as possible. So I kind of don't live a very celebrity type of life. So, I try to
You
keep
are
it
so
as simple as
kind.
possible.
You are so
Yeah.
kind. Okay, so there is no weirdest fear you have.
No, there is. People meet, people take photographs, and they praise you, and all that is part of that, which all feels good.
Yeah.
But that is because people have seen Tare Zameen Par. Almost everyone has seen Tare Zameen Par, so
You
people
are a
recognize
known
me.
face है ना आप जहाँ भी जाएंगे
Yeah,
लोग आपको पहचान लेंगे
yeah. But
तो
that's
कुछ
pretty
एक
much it. I
डर
don't.
लगता है कहीं कुछ क्योंकि समटाइम जो आपके फैन होते हैं वो काफी वियर्ड रिएक्ट करते हैं समटाइम
नहीं, नहीं,
डिड इट
ऐसा
हैपन विद
नहीं.
यू
I never felt that. And yeah, people meet me. They like my work over the years, and that's pretty much it.
Yeah. All
There's no
right.
fear.
So, what is your favorite part about working in films?
Uh, my favorite part is starting a new film. That's always very exciting when you start something new, and you
किस
read the
तरह
script.
के
And
रोल आप पसंद करेंगे?
मुझे थोड़े वो रोल अच्छे लगते हैं जो मुझे फनी रोल बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. I really like doing comedy which is sensible comedy, not like meaningless bad jokes kind of a comedy. And I also like characters who are really very human. I try to find that element in all my characters.
Yeah.
Even if I'm playing a bad person, I try to find something that is really human about him.
बिल्कुल 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 अभी हम लोग लास्ट वीक ही हम बात कर रहे थे मीर सरवर साहब से तो मैंने उनको से सेम सवाल किया कि आपको कौन से रोल किस तरह के रोल करना अच्छा लगता है तो कि मेरे को नेगेटिव रोल अच्छा लगता है मैं सारे दिल की भड़ास निकाल आता हूँ सेट पर
ये कौन थे?
गुड थिंग मीर सरवर साहब है ना जो बजरंगी भाईजान में मुन्नी के फादर भी बने थे और भी बहुत सारी फिल्मों में इट्स अ गुड थिंग एक्चुअली सारा फ्रस्ट्रेशन जो है वो सेट पे निकाल दीजिए आप
ये अच्छा जवाब है मैं ध्यान रखूंगा.
So what does success look like in Bollywood? Because recently we experienced what happened with Sushant Singh Rajput. How do you measure it?
Well, it's a tough place because it's it has many kind of faces to it. There's huge money involved. There is a glamour involved. There is an image involved. There is a reputation involved. As actors, we go through a lot of rejection, a lot of anxiety, where the next work is coming from. all that is part of it. So somehow you have to be really tough and keep going, because things can affect people very easily, because actors are also live a very secluded life in a way, because most of the time spent in, say, if you're doing a film, you're spending a lot of time preparing your roles, learning your lines. It's like a writer or painter, it's a very lonely job in a way. So I guess you have to be, that's the most challenging thing, that how do you stay inspired and try and not give in, because there are a lot of challenges. You have to keep going, I guess.
Yeah, but because what is your take on Sushant Singh?
I don't know. I didn't know him. Unfortunately, I never met him. I've only known him through his images, through his clips, through his films, and he seemed like a really wonderful person. And I was very sad that he took such a decision at a very young age. And he had some amazing films behind him, and he had some amazing films in front of him, I'm sure. Somehow, I guess it's very hard to say what he was going through, because I have no idea. But I definitely felt very sad and feel very sad that someone with that kind of a past and that kind of a future could take his life. It tells you how insecure this profession could be, and how you really have to find a way to stay inspired, ask for help, keep a close eye on yourself. I guess it's easier to say. For me, I can say all these things, but I don't know what he went through. So I don't think I have an authority to comment on his decision. I respect it. He took a decision which I don't know. I'm sure he was going through something really very disturbing.
Of course. So, it's a sad thing. But 2020, I don't think 2020 is good for the Bollywood.
I mean, not for anyone, not for Bollywood,
anyone,
not for the world.
The globe, but
it's bad for everyone.
Our Irfan Khan, then Shashi Kapoor, and then Saroj Khan, and then Wajid Khan. I mean, everybody, every second, third week, somebody is going,
yeah.
मगर आरिफ इरफान खान के बारे में मैं आपसे जानना चाहूंगी, क्योंकि you work with him in ये साली जिंदगी.
Yeah. No? I have known Irfan for a very long period of time. And Tariq,
from
Tariq was also. Sorry?
You know him from NSD days.
Yeah. Yeah, I know.
Tell me about him and your relationship with him.
Well, we were friends during NSD time also. But we never spoke a lot during that time. It was only after I had shifted out of the country that whenever I came to India, I met him, and we bonded very well. We had a very strong bonding. Tariq was also in Ye Sali Zindagi, and three of us have some really very fond memories of that shoot. And then I did another film with him, Pan Singh Tomar, which was a brilliant experience for me, because it was my dream come true to work with Irfan, because I've known him for so many years, and we used to talk about acting. And so yeah, it was a very special friend. I think I lost a very, very dear friend. Rishi ji, I didn't know much. I met him a few times, and I think he was also a wonderful person. I loved him as an actor also. So yeah, it was pretty bad actually.
It was very bad actually, और still bad, क्योंकि अभी नीतू जी को अकेले देखो तो अजीब सा लगता है सब.
They are another couple in the industry, like Dilip ji and Saira ji. And Rishi and Neetu.
हाँ, those को अलग देखना बड़ा.
They are like अलग, आप imagine भी नहीं कर सकते. Yeah.
Anyways, let's move on. So Vipin ji, your eye says that you are very emotional person. That's my experience. After watching you,
I'm as emotional as anybody else.
Anybody else.
We all get hurt. We all get joy. We all get happiness. It's same with everyone.
Emotional is good or not good?
Sometimes it's good. Sometimes it's not. One has to keep a balance, because too much of emotions is also difficult. Also, you lose the sight of logic. You lose the sight of reasoning, because emotion doesn't say reasons. Yeah. So it has both it has both aspects to it. Being emotional is a good thing. I'm very happy that you're saying that, because a person who has no emotion is not living his life to the fullest in a way, because you need to feel and experience things. But yeah, as I said, you have to be careful also not to be overpowered by them, and keep a check, keep keep an eye on them, which is also very important. Bilkul, bilkul.
Across the limit is not good for
Is
anything
not good.
in any field.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
not good.
yeah.
All right, so let's move on. Every life has a story. If you would like to make a film on your life, what would be the title of your film?
Uh, I would say the kind of a journey that has been very disturbing at times, very exciting at times. I've gone through some phases of life that some parts of it I regret, some I cherish, some I'm very proud of, some I wish hadn't happened. I guess a journey would be the apt title for something like that. It's a journey that I am always very keen on, and I've traveled all over the globe in a way, not all over, but pretty much. I've been to different places and lived there for longer times also. So
तो जब आप अपनी आप अपनी लाइफ को पीछे देखते हैं मुड़कर, और जहां थे बिल्कुल अर्ली लाइफ में और आज आप जहां हैं, हाउ डू यू फील?
I feel both. I feel very proud of it, and I also feel quite sad about certain things that I could not change. And I wish I either I was wise enough, or I had resources, or I was more careful. So there's a lot of guilt for sure, and there's a lot of pride also, because I'm also somebody who's kind of self-made. I wasn't very educated. I didn't finish my graduation, and I went to NSD, and so both. It's a mix of both. I can't fully say I'm very proud of my life so far, but I'm also very. I'm
So
also
आपने
very
अभी कहा guilt. Why you said guilt? There is no guilt. Whatever
guilt
you,
in the sense. Guilt in the sense you always wonder about your life. You wish some
it's a good
things
thing.
were different. Some things were different. Something you could have done differently. All those things, they are also part of your growth in a way.
Yeah.
So I can't forget them, and I should keep remembering them, because that's what brings more strength. That's what
Always,
makes you aware.
always,
Yeah,
always. अभी
bilkul, bilkul.
यहाँ अगर कुछ होता है, कुछ something, everybody is complaining that यार कोविड में ये करना है, कोविड में वो हो रहा है, लाइफ ये हो गई है, लाइफ वो हो गई है, डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस बढ़ गया है, अब्यूज बहुत बढ़ा हुआ है, तो इतना कुछ हो रहा है, मैं हमें नहीं लग रहा है ऐसा कुछ भी. हम इस टाइम को बहुत एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि जब हम चले हैं अपनी जर्नी को लेकर, तब से लेकर आज तक टाइम नहीं मिला था रेस्ट करने का. कभी
Yeah,
ऐसा टाइम नहीं मिला कि सिर्फ आप खा रहे हो, सो रहे हो और टीवी देख रहे हो.
bilkul, bilkul,
So
bilkul. It's a very
why you see? I mean, it's not a good thing. It's not a positive thing. What is happening around us, but at some point, see the positivity in out of it. So you have time, enjoy your life, because एक
बिल्कुल,
दिन तो
बिल्कुल.
ये गुजर ही जाना है.
हाँ, और थोड़ा सा मुझे क्या लगता है, लोगों, इंक्लूडिंग अस ऑल्सो, इंक्लूडिंग मी, हम लोगों को थोड़ा सा जिंदगी में यहाँ से आगे का सफर मुझे लगता है काफी मुश्किल होने वाला है. एंड आई थिंक overall everybody has to be very careful about the environment, the health. I've been saying this for a while now. The world over, the politicians and decision makers and policy makers have spent more money on the warfare than health.
Yeah.
How stupid is that?
Yeah.
I mean, today we are talking about that we don't have hospitals, we don't have enough beds, we don't have, even if the vaccine is made, they are saying how will the vaccine will reach everyone, which means what? Which means we focused on the wrong place, and when we and our focus was on destruction, not on construction. And I hope people all over the world become aware of this fact, and now take things in their hands, and be part of the decision making somehow. I don't know how, but somehow humanity has to, people have to think about it now. we've been very abusive to nature and everything.
Very bad, yeah. And then हम चाहते हैं कि हमारे बच्चे बहुत पैसा कमाएं, पैसा कमा के वो क्या करेंगे जब आपके पास एनवायरनमेंट नहीं है
ही नहीं। अभी पैसा किस काम का है जब आप कहीं
अभी सबके पास पैसा है,
सबके पास है। हाँ, तो कुछ काम का नहीं है ना, आप क्या कर रहे हो, उसका कुछ यूज नहीं।
हमारे यहाँ तो ये हो रहा है कि क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट दे रही है सबको घर बैठे बैठे, जो लोग नहीं, जिनके पास काम नहीं था या पैसा नहीं था, उनको भी पैसा मिल रहा है इस वक्त।
हाँ बिल्कुल।
मैं अपनी कंट्री में अगर बात करूँ यहाँ पर, लेकिन बिकॉज माई हस्बैंड इज अ साइंटिस्ट, तो ही इज कलेक्टिंग डाटा एंड एवरीथिंग फॉर अबाउट द वैक्सीन एंड थिंग्स, एंड ही सेज अभी कम से कम 1.5 से 2 साल लगेगा वैक्सीन आने में,
कम से कम।
अगर वैक्सीन बन जाती है तो एटलीस्ट 2 years, मगर 2 साल में ये तो जाने वाली नहीं है।
नहीं ये नहीं है, अभी ये चलेगा,
साथ जीना पड़ेगा।
बिल्कुल।
हमें इसके साथ जीना पड़ेगा। अब आपके पास कितना $1 million है या $1 million नहीं है,
बिल्कुल
बोथ आर सेम,
बिल्कुल
फॉर वैक्सीन, फॉर कोविड। तो money is somehow is not that useful or that not important in our life, and बहुत सारी जिंदगियां चेंज हो रही हैं।
बिल्कुल।
How your feeling are changed now in after COVID or in COVID?
मैं भी वही जो मैं बात बोल रहा था वही है कि now you have to be very careful, you have to be very careful about everything actually, and be very cautious, and we'll have to be very vigilant now, because you can't take it lightly, because it is the worst part is that nobody knows exactly what exactly we are dealing with. There are controversies, there are so many opinions, and so the only best thing is that just be careful, and do what is, use masks, wash hands. I mean, at times it almost sometimes I feel I'm overdoing it. I get so paranoid sometimes, but it's good to be paranoid. I don't mind that actually.
Yeah.
It is better to be paranoid than actually saying, oh, it doesn't matter, nothing. So I guess it's going to be tough now from here on.
लेकिन अभी तक हम अपने बेटे को लेके बाहर नहीं गए, 4 महीने हो गए, लेकिन
नहीं, हाँ,
सितंबर में उसके स्कूल खुल जाएंगे, तो हम कितनी देर उसको लेके बैठ सकते हैं घर में? एट दैट पॉइंट हमें भेजना ही पड़ेगा उसको बाहर। एंड आई डोंट नो के व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन, मास्क मंगा लिए हैं, सैनिटाइजर मंगा लिया है, वाइप्स मंगा लिए हैं, पर स्टिल बच्चे को कहना कि भाई तेरे को हर चीज छूने से पहले साफ करना है, दिस एंड दैट, इट्स नॉट इजी लाइफ, इट्स नॉट इजी लाइफ एनीमोर इन नेक्स्ट अंटिल मेडिसिन विल बी इन द मार्केट।
बिल्कुल।
हाँ, तो ये रहा। और आप बताइए, आपकी आने वाली फिल्में, आपके आने वाले प्रोजेक्ट्स क्या हैं?
मेरा मैंने अभी मैं एक्चुअली अभी लिख रहा हूँ आजकल, तो मेरी 1-2 स्क्रिप्ट्स हैं जो मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, अगर जैसे ही माहौल थोड़ा ठीक होगा तो ये मैंने लिखी हैं। 2 स्क्रिप्ट्स हैं मेरी, और मैं इनको डायरेक्ट भी करना चाहता हूँ। तो अभी फिलहाल मैं बस उसी को, इस टाइम को यूज कर रहा हूँ कि कैसे उसको मजबूत किया जाए, और कैसे उनको टू फाइंड मनी फॉर इट, टू गेट इट फाइनेंस्ड एंड ऑल दैट। एक बनारस की कहानी है और एक मुंबई की कहानी है। तो बनारस में मैं सोच रहा था दिसंबर-जनवरी में करने के लिए, बिकॉज बनारस में माइग्रेटरी बर्ड्स आते हैं रशिया से, जो उस समय बहुत खूबसूरत लगते हैं, बहुत ही विजुअल बदल जाता है वहाँ का। सो आई वांटेड टू शूट इट अराउंड दैट टाइम। सो these are some of the things that I'm working on, using this time to kind of stay productive and stay as inspired and as possible. Every day get up with some idea that makes you get up. I guess that's the best thing right now to be able to do.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
जिन्होंने नक्काश अलीफ और ये फिल्में बनाई हैं, ज़ेगम इमाम,
नहीं,
he is living in Banaras, and उनकी जो फिल्म थी नक्काश,
हाँ, जिसमें शारिब
वाली जो फिल्म थी, ब्यूटीफुल फिल्म है। और मैं आई नेवर बीन इन बनारस, लेकिन उसके जो विजुअल रात की जो आरती के हैं वो देखने वाले हैं, अमेजिंग।
मैंने देखी नहीं फिल्म,
आई थिंक वो अभी नेटफ्लिक्स पे आ जाएगी जल्दी।
हाँ,
हमारे यहाँ तो लास्ट ईयर आई थी, जी।
शारिब से मेरी बहुत अच्छी दोस्ती है। शारिब और मैं,
शारिब को मैंने इंटरव्यू किया है, ही इज वेरी नाइस
ओह
पर्सन।
वेरी गुड वेरी
हाँ हाँ,
गुड,
शारिब का हो गया है, जयराम का भी हो गया है, इनाम का रह गया है। इनाम गॉट बेस्ट एक्टर last year in our India International Film Festival, और नक्काश, I mean Zairam Imam best director.
Very good, very good.
मेरा सवाल था कि what do you feel about sharing your password with your partner?
If there is a great bond and great trust, why not? If
Why
not,
not?
then don't.
That's what I
Because it
want
could
to
result
say.
in something
Exactly,
terrible.
exactly. नहीं, it's all about bonding, और it's a
Trust.
beautiful relationship if you understand each other. If not,
Yeah, absolutely.
then
Don't share it.
nothing. Don't care about anything. So thank you so much for giving us time, विपिन जी। बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके, and I will keep coming to you.
बिल्कुल। नहीं, मैं टच में रहूंगा आपके,
बिल्कुल,
और बहुत शुक्रिया,
anything
मुझे
I
बहुत अच्छा
can.
लगा आपसे।
Thank you so much.
थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू। बाय बाय।
Bye bye.